I always knew you had to be willing to die to even do this job. But I don't want to push my chips forward. A man would have to put his soul at hazard.
Yes, sir. I got it under control.
I need you to step out of the car, sir.
What is that for?
Would you hold still, please, sir? And the gas.
Yo.
Friendo. I don't know. Will there? With what?
With anything.
Asking me, is there something wrong with anything? What time do you close?
Now, we close now.
Now is not a time. What time do you close? What time do you go to bed? You're a bit deaf, aren't you? I said, what time do you go to bed? I could come back then.
Yeah, originally.
You married into it.
We come out here about 4 years ago.
You married into it. I don't have some way to put it. That's the way it is. What?
Call it.
Yes.
For what?
Just call it. Dead. You've been putting it up your whole life. You just didn't know it. You stand to win everything. Call it. Well done. Don't put it in your pocket.
Sir?
Don't put it in your pocket. It's your lucky quarter. Anywhere not in your pocket. Or it'll get mixed in with the others and become just a coin. Which it is. You're gonna... All right. Give me that.
Yes, sir.
I'm looking for Llewellyn Moss.
Message?
Where does he work?
Hello?
Is Llewellyn there?
No, he ain't.
How'd you find that? You're good.
Make it worth your while. $1,000 in it. Everybody.
An ATM. If you knew you would have it with you.
I could find it from the riverbank.
I know something better.
What's that?
I know what it's going to be. And placed at my feet, a certainty. And you know what's going to happen now, Carson? There will be more dignity in it. All right. You mean the nature of this conversation? You know who it is. You need to talk to me. Do you know where I'm going?
Yeah, I know where you're going.
All right.
You know she won't be there.
It doesn't make any difference where she is.
The motel in Del Rio.
Who are you? Do you see me? I don't know.
Just lighting up for the territories, huh? You want someplace specific, you might could be better off just driving.
I ain't got the money. Ain't paid for that neither.
I wouldn't worry about it. No. But I gave my word. Your husband had the opportunity to save you. Instead, he used you to try to save himself. People always say the same thing. They say, you don't have to do this. Call it. Call it. Call it.
The coin
I got here the same way the coin did. All right.
Are you all right?
What did you take for the shirt?
Oh, hell, mister.
Take it in. You didn't see me.